Okay, everybody, welcome back to week 8, the very last week. You guys have made it. We've all made it. It's been a crazy time. I know you guys are probably super pumped to be done with this. So let's dive into it. Week 8 wrap up week. For us, I did say last week was going to be one of our last assignments, one that you're probably going to have to do actual some learning before you can answer the question. But this one, you guys can answer it. Without having to do anything really, just kind of thinking about and reflecting a little bit on yourself. So, the question this week is what unit was your favorite of the year and your least favorite of the year and why? And the second part of the question is how did you grow as a learner? Okay, so being a freshman, I assume that you made some big jumps as a student because you kind of come in as kind of a stereotypically young and dumb, right? Just like a many freshmen. But when you leave, you're basically sophomores, so you get a little bit more mature as you roll through, and you learn some tricks after your first year, little tricks and tips to make sure that schooling goes a little bit easier for you. So I'm kind of curious to see what you guys have to say. The unit one is mainly for me, so I know which ones I should stay the same and which one I should change drastically to make sure that next year's crop of freshmen have a better time than what you guys did with specific units. So it's just kind of some wrap up questions, some kind of reflection ones to go through. I mean, as I was writing this, I was kind of thinking back to like the first day of school when I met all you guys and how different you guys were as the year went on. So I was kind of reliving some old stories, kind of reliving some old inside jokes um, that was going on at the beginning of the year. Remember the beginning of the year, guys, when we were doing the media center unit, and then we had to do the careers unit, and then we kind of go into learning about like some sciencey stuff. Remember doing volcanoes and earthquakes, and we got to watch Twister. And then obviously we get into history and so on. So we cover a ton of stuff freshman year. So I'll just kind of just reliving the memes. The past couple days was kind of pretty funny. So, well, if I don't see you guys or hear from you guys this week, obviously have a great summer. I'll see you guys next year as sophomores. Grades will be posted the 26th, so not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday. Remember, late assignments for us were due last Thursday, so any assignments turned in beyond 5/14, I believe was the date of last week. Obviously, those aren't going to count. You had 8 weeks to do it. Okay, so sometimes the time ticks down and it hits 0. So just keep that in mind. If you turn in late assignments, just know they're not going to count for a majority of people. Obviously, if you contacted me and kind of gave me some specific circumstances, then obviously I'm not a bad person. I will make adjustments accordingly. But for you guys that did not discuss with me or contact me, you're kind of out of luck on that one. Any other big announcements since this is the last one? I'm kind of spitballing here. I do not think so. Again, if anything else pops up throughout the week, I will send out an email and I will probably make another video. But I think this will be the last time you guys have to deal with me for the next couple months. All right, I honestly think that's it, guys. So have a great summer. Have fun. It looks like things are kind of shifting back to becoming more normal. So hopefully, summer break, you guys can enjoy it and actually get a break from school. So that's all I got. I'm out of here. Have a great one, guys.